boys and girls. Well, we're going to read a book all about a simple machine that makes life so much easier. And it's called Roll, Slope, and Slide, a book about ramps. Ramps are awesome, and they're all over the place, in places that you don't even notice, but they make our lives so much easier. So we're going to read Roll, Slope, and Slide, a book about ramps. And it's written by Michael Dahl and illustrated by Denise Shea. So let's find out about Roll, Slope, and Slide. Here's my title page. Really useful. Helps me know what exactly is this book about. Oh, table of contents. So even though it doesn't use real pictures, it is still a non-fiction book. Great. Table of contents means I'm going to get some more information, get that another wrinkle on my brain. New neighbors are moving into the house across the street. Heavy furniture is carried down long metal ramps. In the park, the new kids are gliding down a steep, smooth slide. Everyone is using ramps. What is a ramp? A ramp is one type of inclined plane. An inclined plane is a simple machine with a flat surface that always has one end higher and the other end is lower. Simple machines help people do work. Ramps help people move heavy things from a higher place to a lower place and a lower place to a higher place. Ramps can be fun to ride on too. Wow, I can see a lot of ramps on here in the skateboard park. Helps you to pick up speed and move along. Ramps. Smooth, straight ramps help animals climb in and out of trucks and trailers. So we can see this pig coming down and this horse moving up. Here's our ramps. Long moving ramps guide luggage onto waiting planes. So he's got a ramp that goes in stages, each stage getting higher so that it will eventually go into the plane. Slides. A slide is another type of inclined plane. Slides help us move quickly from up high to down low. Some businesses use slides to move packages from one floor of the building down to another floor of the building. What I like about this slide is it's made of rollers, and we know those rollers are made of what? You're right, a wheel and axle. So the roller part is the wheel, and the rod down the middle of it would be the axle. So they're rolling down a slide. Access ramps. Ramps can also help move people and goods. People using wheelchairs, pushing strollers, or moving delivery carts can use ramps to enter and exit a building. So we can go into the building by going up the ramp. We can exit the building coming down the ramp. Sideways. Steep and gentle slopes. Inclined planes slope from one end to the other. If an inclined plane has a gentle slope, things are easier to move around. So here's our gentle slope. Mr. Squirrel is having an easy time rolling that acorn up the inclined plane into his hole. If an inclined plane has a steep slope, things are harder to move up the plane. So this one we can tell is gentle, and this one is much steeper. So the angle is steeper. And it's a sharper angle. So he has to push much harder to get that acorn into his house. He has to apply more of a pushing force than here. This one is requiring less of a pushing force. So gentle slopes, small force. Steep slopes, lots of force when trying to get something from the lower end to the higher end. And back to the regular. Moving traffic up and down. A highway becomes an inclined plane when it travels up steep hills or down gentle valleys. The inclined plane of the road helps traffic move smoothly from a lower point to a higher point. Entrance and exit ramps are another kind of inclined plane. Cars and trucks move up or down a ramp to join the moving traffic on a highway or a freeway. Oh, hey, there's one of those street signs we learned about. It's telling me the speed so I know how fast I should go. And here's my inclined plane helping me get on that freeway. Slippery slopes. Inclined planes help protect houses. If the slanting roof did not help rainwater run off, the water would build up. Pooled or built up water could damage a roof and cause leaking. So that's why we have an angle in our roof so that the rain will run off and not collect on the top of the house and get too heavy. Kitchen sinks, bathtubs, and swimming pools all have bottoms that are inclined planes. The gentle slope leads the water down towards the drain. So even though your bathtub looks flat, it's actually very gently sloped so that the water will be guided to the drain. One of my favorite kinds of inclined planes. Roller coasters. Watch the roller coaster cars climb higher and higher. A ramp leads them gently up towards the sky. But then slowly another inclined plane begins to guide them back down, gently at first, and then whoosh! Yeah! How ramps help. They can help us move things. And we know that there are some fun facts. A plane is a flat surface like a wooden plank, floor, or tabletop. Incline means that you slant it. Gravity is a force that pulls everything down towards the ground. Ramps make it easier to push or move against gravity. The slope of a road is sometimes called the grade. A steep grade means that the engine would work harder as the car or truck climbs up the ramp. All right, team. Scroll on down and see what Fun Friday has to do with today. But I'm thinking it's probably got something to do with ramps, inclined planes, slope, slide, and roll.